In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a character from text in Excel. We'll do this with a simple formula so you can clean your data quickly and consistently. This approach is perfect when you have an extra symbol or character at the very start of a text string, like an unwanted dash, bracket, or code prefix, and you want a clean version you can use for analysis or reporting. First, click the cell where you want the cleaned result to appear. This is typically an empty cell next to your original data, so you can compare the before and after easily. Make sure you know which cell or range of cells contains the text you want to fix, because we'll reference it inside the formula. Next, type the formula. Start with an equal sign, then type replace, and open the parenthesis. Now select the cell or the range that holds your original text. After that reference, type a comma, then type 1, comma, then 1, comma. Now type a single space enclosed in double quotes and close the parenthesis. Spoken out, it sounds like equals, replace, open parenthesis, your cell reference, comma, 1, comma, 1, comma, double quote, space, double quote, close parenthesis. Here's what that means. Replace takes 4 pieces of information: the text to change, where to start, how many characters to replace, and what to put in their place. By using 1 as the starting point and 1 as the number of characters, you're telling Excel to target the very first character only. By supplying a space in double quotes as the replacement, you're swapping that first character for a blank-looking space. This keeps words properly separated if that first character was stuck to the text, and it avoids shifting the rest of the string together in a way that might be hard to read. It's a reliable way to visually clear out that leading symbol without disturbing the rest of your data. Now press Enter. Excel applies the formula and immediately shows the cleaned text in the cell you clicked earlier. If you pointed the formula at a single cell, you'll see a single cleaned result. If you referenced a range, Excel will apply the same logic across that range consistently, saving you time and reducing errors. That's all there is to it. By clicking your destination cell, entering the replace formula with the right arguments, and pressing Enter, you can remove an unwanted leading character from text in a clean, controlled way. This method works the same across modern versions of Excel, and it's a great habit to build into your data cleaning workflow.